Comparing quantities. In this animation, we will learn percentage and simple interest. Percentage is derived from the Latin phrase per centum, which means by the hundred. Thus, percentage is merely a ratio giving the number of parts per hundred. Hence, a fraction with its denominator as 100 is called a percent or percentage. Percentage makes comparison easy. A percent can also be expressed as a decimal or a fraction. A half pizza can be written in the following ways. As a percentage, 50%. As a decimal, 0.5. As a fraction, 1/2 or half. Converting a percentage into a fraction. To convert a percentage into a fraction, drop the percent sign and divide the number by 100. Reduce the fraction to its lowest terms. Example: converting a fraction into a percentage. To convert a fraction into a percentage, multiply the fraction by 100 and insert the percentage sign. Solve it to the lowest form. Example: converting a percentage into a ratio or a decimal. To convert a percentage into a ratio or a decimal, first convert it into a fraction in the simplest form and then express it as a ratio or a decimal, whatever the case may be. Example: converting a ratio or a decimal into a percentage. First convert the given ratio or decimal into a fraction. Then multiply it by 100 and insert the percentage sign. Example: simple interest. Simple interest is generally charged for borrowing money for short periods of time. The terms involving to find simple interest are: principal. The amount borrowed is called the sum or the principal. Time is a period for which money is borrowed. Interest. The money that is paid more than the borrowed money after the stipulated time is called the interest. Amount. Principal and the interest together is the total sum or the amount. Amount is equal to principal plus simple interest. Rate. The interest paid for 100 for 1 year is known as the rate percent. The formula for the simple interest is given by: where SI stands for simple interest, P for principal money borrowed, R for rate of interest, and T stands for time in years. Example: Seema borrowed 800 rupees from her friend, and after a certain period of time, she returned an amount equal to rupees 920 at the rate of 5% per annum. Find the time for which she borrowed money. Solution. It is given that principal, that is P, is equal to 800. Amount is equal to rupees 920. Simple interest, that is SI, is equal to A minus P, is equal to rupees 920 minus rupees 800 is equal to rupees 120. Rate of interest, that is R, is equal to 5. Time in years, that is T, is equal to, which we have to find. Formula for calculating simple interest is given by: substitute values and calculate, and we get